Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we discuss about module 7, the last module in Procom 1. This module we discuss about the differential equation with the simultaneous, yes, simultaneous differential equation, sorry. Uh, uh, what different between this module and the module 6, the ordinary differential equation. The difference is in this differential. We have many equation. We have many equation. Many equation. Many it means more than one. We have many equation. Uh, Meanwhile, in the module 6, we have just one. Okay. This simultaneous is several equation. Okay, we next into the ODE. The ODE, what is ODE? The ODE is the GNU function for simultaneous equation. GNU or MATLAB, yes, or MATLAB function or MATLAB function for simultaneous equation. Nah, in the ordinary differential equation, we just have one equation. So not we don't need to put the ODE 45. Uh, but in this module, because of we have the many equations, so we need to put the ODE 50, 45. Okay. So, okay, next. This is how we write the ODE 45. This is how we write the code. We have x, y, then ODE, then add. This is add this function for subroutine. Then we have expand and y initial. What is the expand? The expand is increment, right? The increment or interval in interval interval for our value like that. We have the x0, then xn, then we have the increment delta x. Okay, and the y initial is the y0. We discuss about that later. Okay, next. In this module, we have to code as usual. We have the main code. In the main code, we call the ODE function like in above. This we call this the ODE 45. Then we have the subroutine, right? We have the subroutine. This subroutine contain our function or differential equation. Okay. Then we next. This is the illustration for the differential equation. We have many, more than one, two, and then we have n equation. And those equation we calculated simultaneously. Okay. We next. Now we jump into the algorithm. The algorithm is as usual. We have start, then we have variable value. This variable value. Okay. Then we have the differential equation in subroutine. Those equation is we put in subroutine. Then in the main code we have the expand. Expand is on the interval. Then the y initial. The y initial is uh, the value that we seek. We look at. Uh, we look for the mm, the value that we look for the we seek to those value. And then we have the ODE. We call the ODE function like this. We write like this. Then we plot that function, the x and y. Then we stop. Uh, the the difference between this and the ordinary differential equation, we don't have the look for, right? This is no, there is no look for, no look for, no look for. Why don't have no, we don't have the look for? Because the look for is automatically calculated in the ODE 45. This function is very powerful. Just put this function, then we have the answer. Okay, that, that's the algorithm. Now we jump into the problem. The problem one. Sorry for the the dirty problem, but maybe this can be help you can be helping you. We have we use the OTE 45. Then we have the xn is 2. Yes, the xn. Then we have the equation. This is the equation. Then we have the x0, the x0. Then we have the y0 also. This. Then we have the interval. Interval is delta x as usual. Now we jump to the code. Code. Okay, this is LC. Then this is the x0. Okay, in the code we have the x0, then xn, then y0. Then we have the n. The n is number of stage. Number of stage. We back into the problem, and this is we have the xn is 2. Then the x0 is 0 because uh, we have to find the interval between this 0 and this 2. And then we have the y0 is this. This is the y0. Y0 is 1. Then this is the interval. Okay. You just put those value into this code. And then this is the interval. The interval. You can also make the value, make the variable delta x is this. Then this is the delta x. Delta x. This is delta x also like this. Okay. Perhitungan calculate result. Okay. We have the xrank or expand in the module. This is the starting value. Then this is the increment. This is the final value, the xn. Then we have the ODE function. This is you just write like this, and this is after add we have the name of function. The name of function you can change up to you. Change it up to you. In my code, I use the Procom one name. Then this is the expand. The expand. Mm, the expand. Then this is the y0. Okay. Then we print the result. The result is in y bracket then n comma 1. That's the result. The result is basically the most, this is the y is an array, right? Sebenarnya rasa diajari. Oh, so this. Okay, then we plot the x and y. By the way, the y is an array because if you put this y into the ODE, then it becomes array like this. In array, if we print, if we write the array, we have to make sure what the place, with bracket, what the value place with bracket. Okay, then we print the result. The result is this, the y, then bracket n comma 1. Okay, this is the two-dimensional array. Just write like this. This is the value. Okay, then we plot the x value and y value like this. Again, just write like this. Uh, okay, I'll explain the module, the function for this program one. The function for program one is like this. Function as usual. Then you have to put the equation from the problem into this blah blah blah. Okay, that's the problem one. Then we jump into problem two. The problem two we have two differential equation. Then we have to find the y and z. The xn is 0 comma 4, then the x0 is 0, then the y0 is 2. Oh, y0 is 2 and z0 is 4. And the delta x is 0 comma 01. This value, the y0 and z0 is different than the problem one. In problem one, we just have this, have the y. Then now we have to value to find how we solve that problem. Okay, we jump into the code. The code is this. This is the code. In the early part, we have the same configuration with the problem one. This is the x0, then xn, then y0. Y0, we have to we make the matrix. Okay, zeros. You still remember the zeros, right? The zeros is like this. The zeros, zeros. If the zeros is if we have the matrix, the zeros is like this 0 0 0. If we have the for value for the matrix, the 0 is all 0. Okay, then if we have the matrix like this, okay, the zeros 2 and 1, this is the two dimensional matrix, then we translate it into this. 2 is the column, right? The column 0 0 0 1 1 is like this. Okay. Hmm. This is the matrix. We have two row and one column. Okay, this is two row. This is one column. Hmm. Okay, after creating the matrix for the y0, we have to fill the our matrix or y0 with the value. This value is for y. The first um, first row. The first row is for y. Oh, where is the first row? This is the first row. Yes, this for y. Y. Then the second is for z. The second is for z, right? It's still in one matrix, but different row. This is for z. Okay, like that. Then we determine the n is the number of steps as usual. Then we have look for is we have expand or x range is quite same. This is just variable, you can rename it up to you. Expand, okay. And this is the x0, then this is the delta x, then this is the xn, and we put the same function from the first problem. This is the ODE 45 function. Then we print. This is the result. We print the result y and z. The y is this, okay, and this is the z. Just write like this. Then we have to make a plot. Then we have this is x. Then this is the for y. Then and we make the second plot. This is the x. Also, this is the y. The y. This is the y. This is for z. This is for y. This is for z. Okay. Uh, okay, like that. Oh, I forget. We look into the function procom2 function. Okay, this is the procom2 function. The function is also we make the matrix for the function. The matrix is same as this zeros 2 and 1, zeros 2 and 1. Then the function 1, the equation 1, you put into this, the equation 2 into the after. The equation, equation, okay, matrix, matrix, matrices. Ah, up to you. Okay, like this. Okay, that's for the problem 2. We back into the module. Then the problem 3 is we have the four differential equation. Just uh just solve that problem, this problem, uh similar to problem 2, because we have to make the matrix, right? Okay, this is the value. Oh, this is the value easy. The value, the probability is the code for probability is quite same with the problem 2. You have just uh, change the zeros into, if we have the 3, we put the 3, then if we have 4 equation, we put the 4 to this. Okay. Also, yes. Also in the proconto function, this matrix have to be changed also. Then you also add the additional value for this. If we seek for one value, we just have this one. If we want to seek the two value, we also put this. Then we have two function to be print. Then if we have four, then you just edit. Also in the plot, you have to make another another plot. Okay, just add after this. Maybe like this, okay. Okay, then the legend. Don't forget to add the legend also. Okay. uh, Kurang lebih seperti itu. That's our final module. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you understand also. Thank you for watching. Keep spirit, and uh, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.